Creating a successful YouTube channel requires a combination of creativity, hard work, and a solid understanding of the platform. Here are some steps you can take to help ensure your channel's success. Define your niche. Choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you know your target audience is interested in. This could be anything from makeup tutorials to technology reviews. Create a consistent brand. Develop a consistent look for your channel, including a logo and specific colors, and make sure all of your videos have a similar style and tone. Produce high-quality content. Invest in good equipment and make sure your videos are well lit, have good audio, and are edited professionally. Aim to provide value to your audience with each video, whether that's entertainment or information. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and other online communities to reach new audiences. Collaborate with other YouTubers and participate in online discussions to help build your community. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and questions, and encourage your viewers to subscribe and like your videos. Analyze your metrics. Keep track of your channel's metrics, such as views and engagement, to understand what's working and what's not. Use this information to continually improve your content. Be patient. Growing a successful YouTube channel takes time, so be patient and stay focused on your goals. Remember, creating a successful YouTube channel is a continuous process of learning and improvement. By staying true to your niche, producing high-quality content, and engaging with your audience, you can build a loyal following and achieve success on the platform. Regenerate response.